Hey friends, Winston and Donna here again, rolling with the Halls. Today we're excited to be in West Central Texas in the beautiful city of San Angelo. There's a lot of cool places here and we can't wait to show you around.
Every visitor's first stop should be at the beautiful Visitor Center on the banks of the Concho River. You can gather all your brochures and make a game plan for all of your must-see places.
You ready to explore San Angelo?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Built in 2002, the award-winning San Angelo Visitor Center is easy to find right between the northbound and southbound lanes of US Highway 87 in downtown San Angelo. Inside you'll find information and helpful volunteers. And don't forget to snap a few pictures while you're there too. Outside is another surprise. The San Angelo Visitor Center is immaculately landscaped with waterfalls, rocks, and native plants. And of course, there's an awesome view of the Concho River. Hi, Donna. The San Angelo Visitor Center is also an official State of Texas rest area, so don't forget to use their clean and well-kept facilities. You know, we could stay here all day, but there's a lot more to see in San Angelo, so let's get going. Right down the road is the tallest building in San Angelo, the Cactus Hotel. This was the fourth hotel built by Conrad Hilton himself back in 1929. The first thing you'll see entering the Cactus Hotel is the elegant lobby and mezzanine area. The hotel is currently home to businesses and residences and is even rumored to be haunted. Upstairs you'll find the ornate ballroom, which is the perfect room for a wedding reception. You definitely don't want to miss the Cactus Hotel on your visit to San Angelo. Next, we're headed across the Concho River to Fort Concho, one of the most well-preserved frontier forts in America. The fort was established in 1867 to help guard the American frontier. Today, you can visit an interpretive center full of displays and souvenirs, and take a walking tour of the grounds. The elaborate displays help you picture the fort just the way it would have appeared in the 1800s. Fort Concho is most recognized for being home to the famed Buffalo Soldiers, the all-black regiments of infantry who fought in the Indian Wars of West Texas. At public events held at Fort Concho, you will often find dedicated reenactors bringing the Buffalo Soldiers of the 10th Cavalry to life through period uniforms and equipment. Fort Concho was abandoned in 1889, but it leaves behind a lasting legacy in West Central Texas. The beautiful city that grew up alongside the fort, San Angelo.
San Angelo, Texas used to be known as the wool capital of the world. Now Australia has that title, but you would never know it. There are almost 100 of these sheep around town. They're made of fiberglass and each one is unique. And they're so cute. I just want to take them all home with me. Now that was a good looking herd of sheep.
You know, I tried to think of some more sheep puns, but the only ones I could come up with were bad.
This is my life. I put up with this every day.
I'm so sorry. You know what? No more puns. Let's hoof it on over to part 2 of our series on San Angelo.
Oh my gosh. But seriously, we're having so much fun exploring.
Hey, we hope you'll join us as we explore more of this beautiful city. Make sure you click on part 2 and subscribe to Rolling with the Halls. We'll see y'all next time.